Well, the Prime Minister's call for a snap election in 6 weeks certainly is a surprising one. There's pros and cons, of course. A snap election is an opportunity for the new government to create policy and a clean slate to do something for the voters. Now, we all know that the number one issue on the voters' minds is housing affordability and the shortage of housing. On the day of the Prime Minister's announcement, the pound dropped and then rose to its highest level in weeks.
In fact, it's been on an upward trajectory since then. IMF revised its prediction of the growth of the UK economy from 1.5% to 2%. Even Deutsche Bank, who's been very critical of the sterling, has reversed its stance, citing the elections as a game changer.
We at CSI Properties Cornerstone International predicted that the pound would drop immediately after Brexit and then rise, which is exactly what happened. Now, it's our sense that the pound will continue to rise over the coming months. The UK housing market has been a resilient one over the years. However, there will of course be some uncertainty leading up to the elections. Major decisions may be put on hold until the election results are out.
But the uncertainty will be relatively short as there was no news of the election leaked. This prevented a lengthy build-up that would have otherwise affected the housing market.
Ultimately, there's a critical shortage of housing in the UK. Demand continues to outpace supply, so it's only logical that for many years to come, prices will continue to remain high. However, the snap elections is an opportunity for the new government to start on a clean slate and make changes that will affect the housing market. Now, of course, we hope that the government will revisit policies affecting landlords, foreign investors, and the buy-to-let market. After all, these people are key to ensuring housing supply in the UK. Theresa May's domestic agenda is to build a country that works for all. It is our sense that if she wins, she will have more flexibility to make compromises to cut a more moderate deal for Brexit without being beholden to groups interested in a hard exit or even support from her very own party. This should have a positive impact on the UK economy and the pound sterling, which is great news for any investor taking advantage of the favourable exchange rate.
It's premature at this point for anyone to guess who will win the election. We will of course continue to monitor for developments in the market and keep you posted.
Suffice it to say, regardless of who wins, the housing crisis and the shortage of housing isn't going anywhere.